In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header in Elementor for free. Let's begin by setting up the essential tools to get this process started. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate over to the Plugins section on the left-hand side and click on Add New. This section allows you to find and add new functionalities to your website through plugins. Next, in the search bar at the top right, type in Elementor Header, Footer and Blocks, though it might appear as the rebranded Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. This specific plugin will give us the flexibility we need to customize our header. When you've found it, click on Install. Once it's installed, don't forget to hit Activate, as it's crucial to ensure that the plugin is running and ready for use. Now that we have the plugin active, let's move on to creating our new header. Return to your dashboard and locate the Appearance tab in the sidebar. Hover over it and select Header Footer Builder. This area is specifically designed for the creation and management of headers and footers. Click on Add New to start the process. You'll be prompted to give your new header a name. Something simple like Site Header should do the trick. This helps you easily identify it later on if you have multiple headers. Next, we need to configure where this header should be displayed. Under Choose Type, select Header. Then, you'll see an option for Display On. Here, you have the flexibility to either show your new header on the entire website or limit it to specific pages or user roles. Tailoring it to different areas or audiences can enhance the user experience on your site. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click Publish to save your settings. Your header isn't quite finished yet. To truly bring it to life, click Edit with Elementor, which will take you to the Elementor interface. This powerful design tool allows you to drag and drop widgets. Focus on the essentials for a functional header. Start by incorporating a site logo, which serves as the visual identity of your website. Follow that up with a navigation menu so visitors can easily find their way around your site. Don't forget to delve into custom styling options that Elementor provides, allowing you to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your site's overall design theme. If you're not entirely sure where to start with the design, Elementor's template library is a valuable resource. Here you can find pre-designed header templates that can be imported with just a few clicks. This library offers a variety of styles and layouts that you can use as a foundation, saving you time and effort. Customize these templates to better suit your brand's aesthetic and functionality needs. And there you have it. Creating a header in Elementor is a straightforward process that offers incredible flexibility to enhance your website's look and functionality. With these steps, you can ensure that your site's header not only looks great, but functions seamlessly, providing your visitors with a polished browsing experience. Happy designing!